Hello and welcome. In this video, we feature a unique container space with stunning panoramic views in Borgue, Scotland, United Kingdom. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing tiny container living space. Welcome back. Set on a working farm, this unique tiny container home has been lovingly converted from a repurposed 40-foot shipping container to create a beautiful and unique container space to relax and unwind. The container was fabricated offsite and delivered on a truck, hoisted into location on an impervious foundation base, set over the ground floor and providing superb open-plan accommodation. Large bifold doors open into a bright living space with a lovely sitting area that features a comfortable couch and a custom coffee table. The large glass doors can be opened wide to provide adequate natural ventilation and daylighting, creating a good, relaxed atmosphere during good weather. The interior design assumes a linear arrangement where most of the indoor functions lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for open-plan living and unobstructed movement between the functions. The living room has a U-shaped, fully fitted kitchenette that has essential kitchen appliances to make the space functional. In addition, the kitchen has a breakfast bar for two, ideal for dining and as a working table when necessary. Past the kitchen is a sleek modern bathroom. The bathroom is quite large and it features a custom tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, and a wash-hand basin. Next to the bathroom is the master bedroom, fitted with a queen-sized bed, bedside cabinets, and a dressing poof. The bedroom has got floor-to-ceiling glass windows which give the best view of the farmland right from the comfort of the bed. If privacy is desired, each window has built-in blinds which can be drawn out to regulate the amount of light or for privacy when needed. Beautifully furnished to high standards, it provides contemporary accommodation with an interior that is fresh and bright, drawing inspiration from the flora and fauna in the surrounding field. The cabin is fully insulated and clad on the outside with treated timber to create that cottage-like ambience ideal for a modern getaway. The living area is fitted with floor-to-ceiling bifold glass doors on the front and double swing doors on the side opening onto the outdoors. The rear of the cottage is having a private patio area complete with views of the magnificent Cambrian coast and the Galloway Hills with garden furniture ideal for sitting with a refreshing drink around the fireplace. This beautiful home is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $148 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.